tight she does it?
Anyway.
You mind doing that? No.
You can rustle her up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, aren't you cute?
Aren't you cute? Aren't you cute?
Mm-hmm.
She
Oh,
is.
she's smiling, you guys.
Hi,
You
you're
get her-
daddy's boy.
you get
Oh
her-
my goodness.
She's a daddy's girl.
Look at how she's wearing it, the baby thing. It's like your costume that you did that one year. That.
Yeah, you're good at that. She's, yeah, she,
Oh, it's okay. You're okay. And so one of the things I do too is tuck the hand inside.
Oh, tuck her little hand in.
you see how
And I
she
just
took
put
the
it
hand?
Yeah.
Put it
So she
under.
can't scratch
Okay.
herself. Or whatever.
She can't stab people.
Your girl finger down?
Oh, you tuck her hand in it.
There you go.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Layla.
Layla.
Professional.
Layla's
Professional.
very-
I think she deserves a brownie for that. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah, give her a treat.
I have video.
Checking in to see how you're doing.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. We still haven't set, but we're going
Her
to.
grandparents own a bakery.
Oh,
Yes, and so it begins. The bribing begins.
you okay?
Thank you very much.
I was
Yeah.
just scrounging